So our third theorem related to angle and segment, chapter angle and segment, that angle in a same segment are always equal. Here I can write angle in a same segment. Uh, Let me correct this statement. Angle in a same segment. So angle in a same segment are always equal. So you have to remember that angle in the same segment are always equal. So how we can, what are the segment, how we can prove it? Let's see. Let's suppose we have a circle and then I cut it into two parts with the help of a chord ACD. So that is one segment, that area. So whenever a chord cut a circle into two regions, the two parts are called different segments. So one is that segment, and the other segment is this one. Or you can say it, CB is one arc, and this arc, this is minor arc, and this will be major arc, because this arc is smaller and this arc is greater. So that is greater arc, and that major arc, and that is minor arc. So this segment. So whenever the angle in this segment, I draw one angle, angle D, and then angle E. So angle D and E are on the same segment. So according to our theorem, the value of angle D and angle E should be equal because they are lying on the same arc or same segment of a circle. Same arc, or you can say same segment. Why we are calling same arc? Because this D and B are the same arc, moving from this to this side, and if we're moving from this side, then this will be the different arc. This one. Now if you can see that that is one arc, you can see that it one arc, and this part is the other arc. So angle in the same arc or angle in the same segment are always equal. Now we try to prove with the help of this. I calculate this value, it is 102.48, and then angle D is 102.48. 102.48. If you see this value, 102.48. If I drag these angles, you can see this remains the same until unless they are on the same arc or the same part of a circle or same segment of a circle. This value remains the same. So whenever the angle formed on same arc of a circle or same segment of a circle, they are always equal. And if we move this arc to this different side, it value will be changes. This value is not what we are given, but this value will be changes. One more way, if you see here, if ACB is an arc and one part of ACB is an arc, and this is one segment, this is the other segment, and this is the other arc. If D lie on this arc, if the point D, if I drag this, if D lie on the same arc, it value remains 92 until unless it remains on that arc or move in this segment, it value remains same. So if a point D lie on the same arc or same segment of a circle, its value remains same. If I move it up, its value changes. So the theorem valid only when the angles form on the same arc or circle or same segment of a circle. Then they are equal. If you move this point to this part, its value will be changes. Then there's the other theorem which I can tell in the next lecture. But for today's theorem, angle in a same segment are always equal. If I drag this point, you can see the points remain the, if the arc are the common, then the angle remains the same. One more way, if I move this angle to this arc, you can see this angle remains the same. Okay, if I want to Let's suppose if I measure this center angle. The center angle will be, what is the value of center angle? Our first theorem, it will be double of this 62. And I'm trying to prove this. Since I have not marked this angle correctly, that's why it's showing 123, but it should be double of this angle. If I drag this point, you can see that angle should be double of this angle. 59, its double is 118. Same way, this angle should be double of this angle. So before sometimes it's avoiding decimal. That's why on 63 it means that that angle will be 127 and that 63.5 is given as 63. That's why sometimes you see the angles are not equal, but the angles remains the same. Whenever you move it, the angles in the same segment are always equal, and it will be the half of center angle. It will be the half of center angle. Center angle 136 and these two angles are 68. They are lying on the same segment, that's why they are equal and they are the half of center angle. So till now we learned three theorems. Center angle is double of circumference angle. Then our second theorem, angle in a semicircle are always a right angle. And now today we learn angle in a same segment or on a same arc are always equal. Now we have to solve the problem related to these theorems. Uh, for today's lecture, you have to remember angle in the same segment are always equal.